Guys, Nobody Studios, I'm Slade.
And I'm Nathan.
Subscribe to Avery, by the way, guys.
And Game Action 17.
No, don't do that. That channel's canceled.
What? Subscribe to Game Action 17, please.
No, don't. That channel's canceled, guys. Don't do it.
Is that cancer?
What? Do you like our new avatar, guys?
Yeah, we got some more things.
Oh, by the way, guys, we're playing Little Treasure. He got new wings, and a helmet. I got a big head.
You got a big head in a hat, a key hat, or a...
Then I got some Robux stuff at GameStop. I got the
Are we frozen?
No. Hold on, let me show you guys what I got. Delete. I just got this. I bought a $10 Robux card. I got that. I got a Robux toy, and I got that from it. If the video goes black, guys, it's because of Avery. Yeah, we haven't done a video on this in a while.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Yeah, and we haven't done a thing to this boat. I think I may have some new materials for it.
Maybe not. Oh, I like the cat. Since when did you have a cat?
I bought this before you, and you bought it because I bought it.
What? That's not why. I was gonna buy the
You copy
black cat, but then I'm like, no, I want the shark cat.
You buy everything me and London buy.
How am I supposed to know what you guys have?
You
guys barely wear anything in your avatar. You like stick with one outfit.
You guys wanna?
So
We need a. We're at Nathan's house with the bright one, Avery, and you've seen.
It's pretty much a party.
And you've seen him in a couple videos. Dio, Nathan's brother.
I don't think you've seen him in any videos.
You've seen him in the live stream. Maybe some videos. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Someone came in the room.
A stranger. Stranger danger.
Stranger danger! Wait, who are you letting in the house?
Like the
Kids.
video if you like our new avatar.
Yeah.
We're trying to get to 10 likes.
No, that's too high. 1 like, please, guys. 1 like.
Yeah, at least 1 like.
Please. 1 like, please.
Oh.
Oh, good.
We're gonna get flipped over.
Yeah, and then we're gonna get flipped back over to this side. So, I want to finish.
Comment down below who you think is gonna survive and who you think not gonna survive.
I always survive.
I never survive. Sometimes you're the first one to die. And I'm just... Oh. What is happening to our boat right now?
So, guys, like the middle...
Oh, snap. Oh, we're gonna touch... My wings are gonna touch the water. That's not good because that way I can't fly away.
See? We land back on our side.
Oh, wow. That was weird.
Told ya!
Now we're going again. Wait. Oh, that didn't touch us? Oh.
We already did that one. But these... We're gonna get flipped a lot. Oh, no.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Sorry for the Battlefront 2, Star Wars Battlefront 2 music and memes in the background. If you don't like those, unsubscribe to Avery
Stewart
and the bright one. Yeah, if you don't like those.
Or if you haven't subscribed at all, just leave them. jokes.
We're joking, guys. We're joking.
I know, we're joking.
Go subscribe to them.
If you don't like the music, just comment down below, and next time we'll make sure.
And we'll hide in a closet where it's quieter.
So dark and quiet, we'll not even hear a mouse. I feel like we're safe because all the construction is going over there. So
Yeah.
we're like safe.
So this is like the second story in the middle, guys. Each, I'm gonna have like little blocks, like cubes, in each one. So
If you guys want us to make more videos like this, please like the video, subscribe.
I was talking.
Sorry.
Excuse me. I was talking.
Well, I'm sorry.
The middle block. Okay, okay, you see where, like, right there, I'm making, like, a cube right there?
Where is right there?
Where my mouse is. You can't see it. If you want to see it, watch the video, okay?
Okay. Well, why
So,
would I not?
I'm going to make cubes like those. Like, in the middle block, the middle cube will be like the safe room.
Not UFOs.
I was talking!
Sorry, but
Stop interrupting me!
my thing
That's
is
what
on.
you get.
My car, no.
You got further than me, but I survived longer.
Well, by a second. Let's load up my spaceship.
No. No one likes your spaceship. They've already seen it, and they don't like it.
Sorry, guys, about the background.
And Gio, just say hi.
Hi.
Bye, Gio.
Comment down below who do you think is better, my spaceship or his cube, his big cube.
My Rubik's Cube.
Yeah.
I got this, guys, because only 25,000 people are gonna have this. That would be cool. And I got the Roblox GameStop stuff. Here's a tour of Nathan's spaceship. He used to have an egg on top, but that's gone now because of the event. So here's the event. Oh, event. What the frick am I saying? What the frick am I
Are
saying?
you ready to blast off?
No, I'm not. Why does it say color me on it? Look. Nathan, look. Color me.
Color
What?
me? It wants me to color him. Okay, I'll color you. I'll color you.
Okay, now it doesn't say that. Oh, okay. Weird.
I'll color
Okay, this is
you.
Nathan's spaceship, and it has a lot of posters at
I'll
the bottom.
color you green. Does it say color me?
No. Okay, do we have any blocks? What is that? I clearly haven't played this game in a while. Nathan, look at this. What is that?
Wow,
Okay.
update.
I think they made a new update, Nathan. Okay, let's put these blocks up here. No, I don't like people unlocking.
No, it's just us.
Sorry.
I'm sorry.
Not sorry. We're sorry, but not sorry. Dang. Nathan!
What?
You can't even get past, you realize.
Whee!
You realize you can't get past. And plus there's a trap. Delete the whole boat, please.
I love that boat.
It's in the way. It's in the way. Okay?
I want to ride my spaceship.
It's in the way. Get rid of it. I think. What was? Again, sorry for the memes. Not all fault. And the gunshots from Battlefront 2.
Yes, we're sorry about that.
Those are really loud. What was that?
Hey, what is this update about?
I don't know. I don't get it. What the? I am raging right now.
Why are all my bricks falling?
I don't know.
Why
Okay.
is my... What? What?
What is? What? What?
What? Okay, I was gonna say.
We're kind of just adding random spots right now, guys.
Sorry guys about the loud clicking.
That's all, Nathan.
It's the mouse. It's not me.
You guys probably don't hear it.
Yeah. If you hear that, sorry if you don't hear it.
It's all Nathan. It's all his fault. Dang it!
It's not my fault.
I'm not
It's
doing
my
anything
mouse.
up
But why are you putting chairs here? I thought this was yellow. What are you trying to do?
That's where we sit all the time.
Oh,
Did you think that was a chair? That is sad. That is actually sad.
what?
What is going on in there? Again,
Sorry.
sorry.
Guys. Sorry about the memes and the singing.
Please don't get copyrighted.
Please.
Please. Not a fault, YouTube. Not a fault. Please don't. Please don't.
You should so Avery Stewart's account and F1 the bright one.
Right one.
This isn't us.
This isn't us. Please don't.
We're so get copied.
Okay, let's say this.
This blame goes to Avery Stewart and the bright one.
Mostly Avery Stewart.
Mostly.
Sorry, no hate, Avery, but the memes were all your idea. So, again, hope you guys liked the video.
Please subscribe.
Let's
and
put
like
something
the video.
random in here.
Also, don't forget to hit that notification button to get notified every single time we make a video.
Hold on. We're not done yet. There's a hole right there?
Yeah, you didn't know that?
No.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. Use these blocks, Nathan.
To do what?
You'll see.
Are we gonna do a glitch again?
No. No. Move, Nathan. Move.
Who is ready to die?
Oh my god. Again.
Everyone unsubscribe to Avery Stewart. Oh my god. Sorry about that, guys. What are you building?
I don't know, okay? Actually, I do know, but I'm not telling you.
Staircase?
No.
Staircase
This
to wisdom?
You need wisdom. Oh my god, no! We're gonna get copyrighted! Please don't copyright us, YouTube. We didn't do a thing.
Copyright Avery Stewart.
We didn't
Play pizza rolls already.
Oh my god! Again! Sorry!
This isn't great. Maybe we made a mistake.
True! Oh my god! Okay, bye Nathan.
Sorry about that, guys.
Oh my god. Okay. Here's an end for Nobody Studios. Yeah, close it. Okay, bye guys. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe.
Please like and
Subscribe to Nobody Studios. Subscribe to Gamer Action 17s. Unsubscribe to
to Avery
Avery
Stewart.
Stewart and the bright one. The bright one doesn't need
Well-
subs. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. Say for the end of this video. Unsubscribe to Avery Stewart and LOL.